Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Release TV. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases of the year, the 2025 Nissan Z. This car combines the soul of the iconic 240Z with modern, high-performance engineering and style. Get ready to see why the new Nissan Z is a perfect blend of classic design and modern tech. If you love keeping up with the latest car releases and insights, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with other car enthusiasts. Your support helps us bring you the best in automotive news. The 2025 Nissan Z has captured attention for its classic, yet cutting-edge design. It keeps the legendary Z series silhouette, long hood, short overhangs that defines its sporty and aggressive stance. But Nissan has added some fresh, aerodynamic touches. A larger front grille paired with Nismo exclusive front and rear spoilers isn't just about looks. These features ramp up downforce and stability, giving you better performance and control, especially at high speeds. Now check out those 19-inch forged wheels. They're lightweight, not only reducing overall weight, but enhancing the handling for a more agile and responsive drive. Plus, they add to that unmistakable aggressive look that every Z fan will appreciate. Inside, Nissan focused on the driver. The cockpit is designed to feel immersive and packed with the latest technology, but it's still comfortable. Even taller drivers will find enough legroom to sit back and enjoy the ride without feeling cramped. And it doesn't stop there. The 2025 Z has safety at its core. From automatic emergency braking to adaptive cruise control, this car is built to help you stay safe on the road with a full suite of standard safety features. Let's talk power. Under the hood, the Z is equipped with a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, pushing out an impressive 400 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. This gives it the power to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. But if you're looking for even more thrill, the Nismo variant steps up with 420 horsepower, underscoring Nissan's dedication to performance. For transmission, you have options. Whether you want the hands-on feel of a 6-speed manual or the quick, smooth shifts of a 9-speed automatic, the Nissan Z has you covered. Enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike can experience the joy of a responsive, high-performance vehicle tailored to their style. With classic lines, modern performance, and advanced tech, the 2025 Nissan Z offers everything a sports car lover could want. Whether you're a longtime Z fan or new to the Nissan lineup, this car delivers a thrilling, memorable drive. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you're excited to see what's next in the world of cars.